The nickel coating process begins with cleaning and surface preparation. The substrate is thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt, grime, or residue, ensuring a clean surface for the nickel to adhere properly. Next is preparing the plating bath. The nickel plating bath is prepared according to precise specifications, making sure the concentration of nickel salts and other chemicals is correct to produce a high-quality coating. The third stage is immersion and plating. The clean substrate is carefully immersed into the plating bath. A direct current is then applied, causing nickel ions in the solution to deposit evenly onto the surface of the substrate, forming a smooth and shiny metallic layer. Finally, in the extraction and drying stage, the coated part is removed from the bath and thoroughly rinsed with clean water to remove any residual chemicals. It is then dried using air blowers or a clean cloth, revealing a bright and uniform nickel finish.